ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे, पूरा भारत दर्शन किया, सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने। ये तो गुंडी है, तो ये मेरे को रैक करती थी।
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being.
कोई भी इंटिमिडेट होगा that you're going to be working with such a beautiful.
मैं बचपन से ही मुझे बच्चों के साथ मजा आता था। No, I was a kid. I would enjoy. I.
You liking it here? Talk to us about these wonderful people quickly. Varun Dhawan sir के लिए.
She'll say, Zara, you'll say hello to everyone. Just you have to say hi. Okay, guys, should we start? Okay, come. Yeah, sorry.
I'll take this. Varun, thank you so much for being here. Vamika, thank you so much. Kirti, thank you so much.
And throughout the journey for the last 1.5 years, you have always kept our film in the top. I don't know why. I think it's pure love. I want the same love to continue and take us to that space where we all want to achieve. And of course, in return, I can assure you one thing. Apart from an entertainer, we have a clean message conveying film, which is much needed for the current society. And let's not just get entertained. Let's carry this message. Of course, you are the right tool to take this to the roots. Please take this message to the roots. And thanks for supporting us. Thanks for coming here. Please do all come with your family on December 25th to the theaters. Definitely, every member of your family has something to take home from Baby John. Baby John is a good father, good police officer, a good husband, good lover, good son, and you have all kinds of emotion which will satisfy highly family. And then definitely, as a parent, you will have a great message to take home and create a great society for the next generation. Thank you everyone for coming here, and now I will thank my in-house team. Murad bhai, thanks for being a partner and making this film, and the great VD Varun Dhawan, Baby John. So he was so sweet, and he was outstanding in the film. Till today morning, we were in the final mix of the film. It was very emotional for us to give the film to the overseas. We really felt emotional, and I think Varun Dhawan has really pushed his hard limit to give us maximum to the film. Thank you, Varun sir. Kirti Suresh, who's our best friend, and thanks for accepting this film. And it's a very important role, which is a very challenging role, and she has pulled it off, and it is highly emotional, and I'm sure she's going to make you all cry. That I can guarantee you. And thank you, Vamika. I've been waiting to work with you for a very long time. First, we have produced a film, so soon we will work together for sure. And thanks for accepting this film. And my dear friend, and who's 18 years friend of mine, is just doing this drama only in front of you. He doesn't do this. Okay, so he's my good friend. 19 years back, when I was a short film maker, he was a short film maker. We bumped into each other and said, I'm going to do my short film tomorrow. Can you be my AD tomorrow? And he said yes. And that has been continuing for 19 years. He has worked in Jawan as a second unit director, and he has already directed a film. He should have a great heart to come as a second unit director after directing a film. He has already a director in Tamil industry. And thank you so much. You had a great heart, buddy. So thank you, and definitely he's going to be the pick of this year as a director for sure. We have, as a studio, Jio, Cine One and AFR Apple, we are very happy to introduce Khalees to this industry. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am, being a great support. Thank you, Jio Studio, for being a great support. I think I've done the basic things. Now let's whatever bro you ask, bro.
I'll do that, sir. Varun, I'll come to you quickly. You know, Christmas celebration has started. Best production studios of our country have actually come together. Jio Studios, sir just talked about Jyoti ji, and Murad sir यहाँ पे हैं, Priya ma'am यहाँ पे हैं. What do you have to say? You know, इतनी तगड़ी backing Baby John को इस Christmas.
नहीं, बहुत ज़रूरी है तगड़ी बैकिंग आने की, क्योंकि इन टुडेज इन्वायरमेंट अगर आपको फिल्म लेके आनी है तो आपको you need very strong production support, that it becomes very difficult to release a film otherwise, because very larger than life films are only coming nowadays. ऐसे environment हो गया. So in that much time, approximately it will be 55 days after which a Hindi film is going to release now, an all-out Hindi film right now, abhi theaters. So we, like at least said, we need your support here in this market. Please, to the press, thank you for giving us so much love. And Christmas is a time when I have always wanted to release films. हमेशा से मैं चाहता था कि मेरी कोई film Christmas में आए, because it's a time when children really love watching films. They like going out, and we've had to really fight and struggle to get this date, because ये date historically, this date has been आमिर sir बहुत फिल्में release करते थे historically on this date, you know. So we are very lucky and thankful to Amir sir that he's given us this date. And with his blessing, we are going ahead. And one more thing, I just want all the press to congratulate Kirti Suresh here. She's newly married. हमारी नई नवेली दुल्हन आई है यहाँ पे मुंबई में. So
Thank you so much. Thank you. He had
Thank
told
you.
me backstage that he's going to embarrass me. He's going to say this 100 times. But thank you so much.
I don't want to be the only married actor. Now we both are. Congratulations, but.
Thank you.
कीर्ति मैं आपके पास ही आ जा.
Yes, first of all, thanks to Atli and Priya, because this is one of my favorite characters. Can I say that? Yeah. Yeah.
Be open. It's all yours. Come on.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite character that has been played before. And to have me in this film, thank you so much, Atli. We've been friends for a very long time, but this is the first time I got to work with Atli and Priya. And hopefully the next time in his direction and not just his production. Thank you, Atli, and thank you, Murad Bhai and team. And Vamika, I love her work from this film called Goda in Malayalam. She was brilliant in that. And yeah, she's a boxer in that. Wrestler, sorry. So very happy that we are in the same film. And Varun, his energy is great. He's a great actor. But I feel this time in Baby John, I think you all are going to see a very different Varun Dhawan. And I'm very, very excited for you, Varun. And Khalees, Khalees, I think if we give him a chance, he'll ask me to shoot even now. But his efforts and all his hard work, it's all going to be worth it. Thank you, Khalees. I've learned a lot from you. And that's more important. So thank you so much. And thank you all. We need all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Vamika, I'll quickly.
I just want to add that at least you're looking very handsome today.
He's always handsome.
No, but आज
Thank you.
आज आप कुछ अलग ही लग रहे हो. First time seeing you in the suit boot, मतलब you're looking very handsome.
I
today.
think because he's sitting
Producer
here.
avatar, sir. Producer avatar.
Right, Vamika, there's a lot of positivity और ये bonding बड़ी कमाल की दिख रही है पहले दिन से, you know, when we saw the first look और उसके बाद से अब तक. Talk to us about this entire journey अभी, because 7 दिन रह गए हैं बस.
अगर आपको समझना हो कि कोई डायरेक्टर कैसा है या कोई राइटर कैसा है, you watch their films. You'll know what he believes in. So if you'll see Atli sir's films, the female characters in his films are so strong. And that shows that how much he appreciates the women in his life. And even in this film, while shooting for this film, ये कुछ अलग experience था मेरे लिए. इतने खूबसूरत लोग हैं ये लोग दिल से, इतने secure हैं, इतना प्यार है इनके अंदर. I feel so lucky that I got a chance to work with them. My first meeting with Atli sir, he inspired me how important it is to be a good person. And I think even in our film, you'll see that the main focus is that how important it is to be a good person, how important good upbringing is. So I think it shows what he believes in, what Khalees sir believes in. It was a blast working with Khalees sir, first of all, I have to tell you.
You want to imitate him?
No, Varun. But it was amazing. It was one of a kind of an experience. I always wanted to work with Murad sir. I am so happy that we are working together. I'm very grateful and thankful. It has been an incredible experience working with Varun and Kirti. Kirti के साथ मेरे इतने scenes नहीं है, but the love that I feel from her is just how do you have so much love in your heart? I love it. Thank you so
She
much.
just got married now, तो होता है। निकलता है प्यार।
It just वरुण के बारे में मैंने जितना मैं जानती थी through films or interviews, when I worked with him, I understood what a beautiful human being he is. Never, generally when you work with a star who has done so many films and has a name, it can be very intimidating. But he made sure that I feel super comfortable so that I can give my 100% on set, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for being so nice.
Likewise.
But Atlee sir, thank you.
Thank
You have no idea how much I've learned from you. The kind of personality you are. I think one thing that I'm going to really take away from this experience is you. The empathy, the love that you have for everyone and everyone's journey. Thank you for inspiring me. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I
Thank you,
mean,
Amika.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
love you, Priya ma'am. And Zara, I love you.
Oh, that was cute. Priya ma'am, I'll quickly come to you. Murad sir,
Hi everybody. We are very, very, very happy to be here in the first place because this is like a dream come true for us because we are just babies and this is our first production in Bollywood. So first of all, I would like to thank Cineone Murad sir. We learnt a lot from him. He handled this project like with so much of love and thank you so much Murad sir. He's family now to us. And thank you so much Varun sir. Thank you so much for trusting us.
Priya, you're younger than me or we're the same age?
Almost the same.
So then why are you calling me sir? It's so strange that because even Atlee sir and me, we are the same age. We are the same age. So then if he calls me sir, I have to call. We are only saying sir. But and he's a very cool guy besides being a
Of course, yeah.
producer
yeah.
and director.
He
A very
is.
cool cat. The cool cat.
No, he's a very, very, very cool person. Like, I've learned a lot from Atlee. And thank you so much, Kirti. Like, she's like our best friend. And I know that she came into this film just for us. So thank you so much, Kirti. Kitty. And Vamika, you're such a wonderful performer, Vamika. I really adore you, like, on screen. You're such a wonderful performer. And myself and Atlee, we're very, very proud to launch our family member, Khalees. He's more than a friend to us. He's been with us throughout the journey in Bollywood. So, thank you so much, Khalees. No one could have done this. No one could have done justice to this film. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And
Khalees is crying.
and we hope to see the same love from you all. And Baby John is releasing this Christmas. Please, please, please watch it in theaters. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Priya ma'am. Thank you so much. Murad sir, I'll come to you quickly. Talking about this entire collaboration, as I said, sir, theaters mein...
Was he doing the same while shooting also?
Both of them, you're asking?
Yeah, of course. First Vamika.
पहले वामिका. Did I rag you?
बदमाशी करता था क्या बहुत?
बदमाशी करता था.
Ragging.
बोलो.
नहीं आई थिंक हम सब रियली एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब रिलैक्स लोग हैं तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे
सर इसको लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक